So in February 2021 I decided to start a YouTube channel. I made one video and we're now January 2022. I kind of did it back then for, I suppose, to try and increase my confidence, because I live with anxiety. But anyway, today is the 29th of January 2022 and I have started back on YouTube back on the 3rd of January, and this is the 7th video that I've done this month. It was going to be the 8th video, but the video I was going to do didn't really happen, I don't think. Anyway, what we're going to do today, we're going to look at audio. I need to remember to stop looking at the screen to the right and look at the actual lens. So people can spend a ridiculous amount of money on their microphones, etc, etc. The microphone I'm using right now is from a company called Synco. I don't know if you can see it just under here. I'll just take it off, bear with me. This is the Synco G2 A1 and it's the wireless version. So the other part of this one is actually on top of the camera. So that's the Synco boxing. I'm assuming you can see that, and it's focused quite well. But this microphone only arrived yesterday. What I have been using is a Synco S8, which is that one. So it's a Lavalier type microphone, and it comes in this this case. So you can see it's got quite a lot of cable, and it's got 6 meters on this one. So it's done me fine. The only problem I've had is when I've been filming in the kitchen, wandering around, the amount of times that I've nearly taken the tripod over when I've tripped. So the reason for this vlog is the S6 that I've just shown you replaced the S8, which I bought a year ago from Synco. Fortunately, because I made one video and then quit, I didn't really get a chance to use it. But when I took it out of the box earlier this month, it actually didn't work. It looks like the connector or something was faulty. So could I try and fix this myself and maybe make this microphone a spare? It would mean chopping the lead and then resoldering. I have actually zero ability, well, yeah, pretty much zero ability when it comes to repairing electronic kit. I've never owned a soldering iron until now. So this is no idea how to use these, but I'm sure it can't be that hard. I also bought some wire clippers and some replacement plugs somewhere on my desk behind me. So I believe the fault is near the jack plug, so it just means snipping the end off and then resoldering a new plug. How difficult can that be? I will say I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos on how to solder, so I must be a seasoned expert by now. So if I can save a little bit of plastic going into landfill, I will give it a go, but I can't promise anything. This could be a whole waste of your time, but at least you'll get to see me fail if I fail. So I think that's enough of an intro. Let's see how I get on trying to repair a microphone. I can't inflict that on you. It is such the most boring thing in the world to watch. If you want to see some soldering, here's a little bit. Shit. So we'll consider this vlog a review of the Synco G2 A1. So I've been listening to the audio. I mean, to my untrained ear, very, very good. So for this month I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro, but I did see a lot of people talking about this, which is DaVinci Resolve. I think that's what it's called. Yes, DaVinci Resolve. So this is the first few hours in it, and I've got to say, so far it's really, really straightforward to use in the most simplistic of terms for me, because I'm very, very new to all this. But yeah, DaVinci Resolve, this is what this video will be edited on. But anyway, back to the Synco. Yeah, I found it very, very good. I've got no wires to get in my way to trip me up. The only thing I've noticed about the Synco today is when I'm looking at the receiver at the top, I'll get my camera out to show you. You see how reflective it is, and you can't see the readout until you're really right on top of it. That is the only downside to the glossy exterior of the unit. But other than that, it's been fantastic. So obviously I've only had it a day, but it's what I'm going to be using all the time now, and I'll feed back at some other point. And if you could do me a massive favour, I'd like to get to 100 subscribers by the end of 2022. I know it's a big ask. I've got 24 at the moment. The only thing, magic number with 100, is that I can actually name the YouTube channel, because at the minute it looks like this, the link to it. And obviously what I want it to look like is this. So you'll be doing me a massive favour if you could subscribe, like the video if you want to, and hit the bell icon, and then you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you very much.